This time we are presenting new transmitter, DS16, which is finger version of transmitter, thumb version. That's a new transmitter which will be available during March. On the market, retail price is €1,400, and we hope we'll be very successful like with our DC16. At the moment, we can present that we have some new advantages, new features. We add the accelerometers and gyro. It's mainly designed for telemetry.
The DC16 shipped already last summer, as I remember.
Yes, it is on the market since June.
There are some changes to the DS16, except it obviously being handheld, but this accelerometer and the gyro is only in the DS16, is that correct?
Yes, gyro and accelerometers will be only for DS16.
Just one look in the new menu, Advanced Properties Accelerometer Setup. You can set up the filtering of the accelerometers to reduce the wrong inputs. You can set up the sensitivity in every axis, X, Epsilon and Z axis, and you can also define a dead zone between 0% and 100% to reduce the faulty inputs in the middle base, in the base settings. So, I set some dead zone, just by chance, maybe 10%. I go through the settings and say OK. And now in the next step I can add this accelerometer to one function. Model, functions assignment, and choose one function like aileron. It's written in German, gyro means aileron. Choose the control P1, clear the control, and here I have the possibility to add the G-sense as input control. I can check the right functions, move like this, or shake. This is the third function. I take set, one step, just last check if it works, OK. Press OK, and now I have the assignment. Just one look in the servo monitor. I move the transmitter, watch channel 2, right side up, and it moves. Okay.
All right. Good.
So just a definition from a new model. I choose the first point, new model. Have to type in some name, very simple name like this. Press OK. Now I can choose the model type, airplane, helicopter, or general model. I choose airplane. Go in the next step. The wing definitions, we have 0 flaps, 1 aileron. So I move just the button and choose out 2 flaps, 2 ailerons. Just to the tail type. V-tail meets perfect. We have no engine, just 0. We have no air brake, or we set up 1 air brake. And so I finished with the basic definitions. The next step will be the functions assignment, which functions I have on which control. If I'm not happy with the control, like I like to have flaps on P6 on the left side, I choose P5, would be this, on the right side, press clear, just move the other, press OK, and now the control is moved to the left side of the transmitter. So, the next step will be the servo assignment. On the left side, you see the servo output on the receiver. You have the definition over there, channel 1 aileron. So, just for testing, I want to have elevator 2 again on channel 8. Press one button, choose the function, and now I have doubled elevator 2. If I made some faulty setups, just press auto. It goes back to standard setup, say yes, and it's again on standard. So next step will be create and activate model. From this time the model will be stored in the transmitter. I press yes. And now I go in the next step. In this step we can choose every setups for every servo. I stay at aileron 1, can set up center trim, plus and minus. Can set up also max positive, max negative settings. Travel limits cannot be oversteered by trimming or mixers or so. It's a fixed trimming. I can set the servo direction to reverse. And every move I make, I can check it in the servo monitor at every time. So back to my setups, press OK, and this would be the first initial setup for the whole model.